Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best cake pans. So let's get started. Number 7. Fat Daddy's Anodized Aluminum. Consider this best-selling set of 3 round cake pans the ideal starter set. Though extremely budget-friendly, the quality is there. The pans, which are made of aluminum, heat and cool quickly, allowing for a faster, more even rise. The material is also extremely durable and naturally resists rust and corrosion, great for anyone who regularly bakes with highly acidic ingredients, like citrus. Anyone with concerns about non-stick coatings will love that these pans are anodized, not coated. This environmentally friendly process yields similar results, but contains no chemical additives, dyes, or potentially harmful compounds that can transfer, peel, or flake into baked goods. Number 6. USA Pan Nonstick 9-inch Round Cake Pan. If you can only choose one cake pan to stock your kitchen with, let it be a round pan. It's a solid choice for nearly any recipe, and will see you through special events like birthdays, and even weddings, should you want to make something more elaborate like a layer cake. This one is a solid choice. The 9-inch pan has a non-stick, BPA-free coating, and a fluted design that makes removing baked goods a breeze, even for beginners. The pan is also resistant to warping, which adds to the longevity of the cake pan. Even years later, you'll be churning out even, attractive cakes. And if it doesn't, the pan is backed by a lifetime warranty. Number 5. Nordic Ware Classic Metal 9x13 Covered Cake Pan. Nordic Ware is known for its baking pans, and this one does not disappoint. It's made from a highly durable commercial-grade natural aluminum that never rusts no matter how frequently you use the pan. It also has a reinforced encapsulated steel rim to prevent warping over time, a must to prevent cake's quality from declining over time. The premium material helps yield premium results too. This 9x13-inch rectangular baking pan has superior heat conductivity for even baking throughout, so you don't have to worry about burned edges, but a gooey interior. Number 4. Simply Calphalon Nonstick 8-inch Square Cake Pan. Square baking pans are a nice, versatile option to have in your kitchen. With a square baking pan, you can make cakes, but you can also make an array of other goodies like brownies and bars. These types of baking pans are a bit different, though, since they don't distribute heat the same way that round pans do. If not constructed properly, square pans can cause your baked goods to droop in the middle. It's a phenomenon called doming. It's not something you have to worry about with this pan since it's made with a heavy gauge steel core that works to evenly distribute, even up to 500 degrees. Number 3. Nordic Ware Blossom Bundt Cake Pan. If you want to impress a crowd, but are wary of Bundt pans because of their intricacy, this is a great pick. The design is solid and intricate enough to please the eye, but it doesn't have fanciful, deep grooves that can make baking a nightmare. The pan is made by Nordic Ware, no surprise, as the brand's a real leader in the space, and is constructed with top-of-the-line materials. The durable cast aluminum construction has a premium non-stick coating. Together, these features ensure even baking and easy removal, something not all Bundt pans offer, so you can confidently serve up a beautifully designed naked cake. Number 2. Hiware Springform Pan Set. There's little room for error when you're making something as special as a wedding cake, but this 3-layered set from Wilton will help you tackle the ambitious project with minimal fuss. It comes with 3 differently sized non-stick springform pans, 4-inch, 7-inch, and 9-inch, that make it easy to remove each layer without damage. As a bonus, you'll also get an icing spatula to help spread the frosting evenly, and an icing smoother for creating beautiful designs. Because each pan is made with durable carbon steel that resists warping and can withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees, the set is built to last, no matter how many cakes you have in your future. Number 1. Wilton Countless Celebrations 10-piece set. If you really want to surprise the special birthday honoree, trade your typical round cake for a more highly personalized one. This affordable 10-piece set comes with a unique rectangular pan that features a grid and inserts that, almost magically, allow you to create any letter of the alphabet or number from 0 to 9. Despite the perceived intricacy, there's little fuss for the baker to endure. The pan, which is made of steel and has a non-stick coating, allows for both easy release and quick cleanup, 2 things you'll be grateful for when you have a lengthy to-do list to tackle in preparation for the party.